take this opportunity to welcome us again to another part of the revisions on Calverton Villa. Yes, after the first draft that was made, we had some changes that were suggested by the owner to be made on the design of the villa, and I want to take us through the few changes that were made on the villa. So as you can see on the plan, the first change that was made, let me start from the part B of the compound, that is for gate B. Yeah, from the part B, because the compound has been divided into two, the plot has been divided into two parts. The first part is where the main house is, and the second part is a free compound. And in the second part of the compound there was the SQ that we removed there, and we took it to the first compound. So as you can see, the second compound doesn't have anything. It's been left for any future development by the owner. But we have an extra parking here that people are going to this part. They use gate B of the gate B to access this parking. So there's a parking and there's a biodigester. A biodigester is the one that will be processing any kind of waste that is coming, being generated from the old house. And as you can see, also we introduced a road on both sides of the two quarters of the plot. The lower quarter with the gate B and the upper quarter with the main gate. So the gate B was moved closer to main gate from where it was, so it come up here, and these two main gate and the gate B has been combined together to form a complex gate that has on top of it has a security a restroom for the security officers, and on top of it, on the second floor, it has a watchtower on top. So on the ground floor for the gate, it has a security office, and this security office, they are able to be access both gates. There's a door from gate B, there's also a door from gate main gate, as you can see, and they are able to access the security office. So they're able to man the two gates, register the guests that are coming in, they are going out, check the vehicles that are coming in and going out. So this is the security office, and for the security officers, they are able to access the upper rooms to the restroom using this staircase that is here. Yes, the staircase is outside for easy movement, and also for any outsider that wants to move just up, because also this same staircase helps us to access the watchtower that's above there. So there's more parking. We see we changed the area for the parking. It was changed a little bit from the initial design and for the further suggestions that were given by the owner. So we changed the parking. We have an open parking and an open parking for more extra cars, and also plot B, part of where you use gate B, there's also more parking here. There's also some two extra parking on this side where we moved the SQ. You can see the SQ now is on the main compound of the house. So on top here we have the main house. So here there is the SQ. So this is the SQ. We also enlarged the walkway towards the house, and on this walkway there is a gate, a small gate here that helps us to access the main house and also the SQ. So also we have the lawn here to remain to be there. We also introduced this part here that is an outside shower in case of somebody who is doing some practice or doing some walking, is able to have some shower for cooling the body system. It's not a place where somebody takes a shower, but a cooling area where you are able to get some hot shower or cold shower after some exercise, and you rest on this bench here, and you rest, and as you continue with your exercise or another part or another thing you're doing. So those are the major changes that were done on the ground floor. And also we moved the pool, swimming pool, from where it was. As you can see, this the area where it was formerly, but now this place we changed it to be the graveyard. And on this part of the graveyard we have the water tower that will be supplying water to the whole of this compound. So this is a unique area, a good place to place it, and the water will be supplied to the water tower by pipes and using a pump that will be on the borehole. So you can see where we have placed the new pool, the swimming pool. It's accessible from outside, and also this is an access from inside. Here you can access the swimming pool. It's enclosed just for security purposes because of the dangers of children jumping in, and sometimes they may drown there, so we allow it to be fenced. And also there is a new part we have introduced here. We have an outside kitchen, open kitchen with some RG, that is stoves and a sink and a BBQ kettle where you can have some nyama choma there. Yes, so those are the things we have introduced on this ground floor and the general landscaping. So as I move to the first floor, the first floor also we did away with the second kitchen and we introduced a studio instead of that kitchen that was here. So the two bedrooms 5 and 6, the ones that don't have a kitchen, they'll be using the family kitchen. And also for bedroom 4, we introduced a study area, and this person also will be using the family kitchen in case he wants to prepare something. Bedroom 3 remained the way it was with a kitchen ensuite, a kitchen and a washroom ensuite. There was no much changes on that part. So the major change that has happened in the first floor is the introduction of a studio, a recording area, a theater, and such alikes. On the top of the house, that's the rooftop, it remained the same. There was no much changes on the top of the house. You can see the watchtower that is on top of the gate. So I think that's much we can be able to explain so far on the sketch. I think we'll meet again next time for the final SketchUp or the final architectural drawings. We'll explain details and also we'll do the 3D rendering and the pictorial views of the whole compound and the whole house. So I think up to that point, allow me to stop there. We shall be continuing unless there will be more changes, but we'll continue communicating on any kind of changes we make on this filler. So far that is our SketchUp and what we are expecting to obtain at the end of our design. So this is a sketch and it's also the actual design of the house, the landscaping and everything, how it looks like on the actual ground. Thank you very much.